there, YouTube land. So before I start this video coming up, I just wanted to announce a couple things or whatever. I'm still not good at this, but I got a LinkTree now. Has all my links, all my affiliate links, all that good stuff. So, because sometimes they work, sometimes they don't for my commissions and stuff like that. But it's always appreciated when you hit the links, buy stuff, whatever. Because you know, any help that gets to the channel is going to help out here. So you know, for upcoming projects and stuff like that. Let's see. So I got the LinkTree. Oh yeah. Well, of course, as always, head over to the fire department coffee. You know, that's the first affiliate link that I got. That's my number one favorite. Like, I love working with those guys. So, new hat, by the way. I love this hat too. Just saying. But yeah. So, anyway, yeah. And link will be down in the description with my LinkTree, all that good stuff. I got it on my Facebook now. TikTok, because I got a TikTok now. You know, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos and the shorts. You know, I'm trying to do the daily stuff daily. Well, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't call it daily stuff. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it all. So thank you for all the new subscribers and stuff. Hopefully, maybe, you know, I'm hoping by the end of the year I might hit 500 subs. Who knows? Maybe 1,000? That's my goal anyway. Well, okay, so my goal is 500 by the end of the year, because I doubt I'm going to get there. Whatever, you know. Any help's appreciated. But yeah, anyway, on the old fire engine. So, we'll see you there. Oh, hey there, YouTube land. Brimstone 667 here. So, down at the ranch for a cold start. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? Now, this was just a pretty much a quick rundown trip because, you know, dentist and stuff. So don't have any of my camera stuff like I did last time, but I remembered the ignition this time. Hang on, I can feel like that is going to get stuck again. 1 second. Alright, here we go. Throttled a little bit. Alright. For being like, I think it's like 33 degrees out here, it started out pretty easy. That was actually easier cold start than I thought it would be. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. See ya on the next one. Bye. Boy, howdy. I'd say that we got a little snow up here, didn't we? Yeah. It's been a fun winter so far. Just haven't got much snow and plowing like I've been hoping. But yeah, so I just want to take a minute though. Really appreciate you guys checking out my videos and everything. So if you like it, you know, got a lot of stuff coming up planned for this summer and spring. A lot of projects I want to get done. So if you want to see what's going on with them, especially the fire engine, because that one, it's not going to go anywhere. So if you want to see what's going to be happening with that coming this spring and summer and stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Again, thank you guys for checking it out.